We are visiting the Yacht and Beach Club Resort, and it's right over the water, right across from the boardwalk, and right in front of the Swan and Dolphin hotels. It's a very pretty view. I'm sure all of the rooms have nice views. I believe this resort is just a DVC resort, so I'm not sure if we could really go in, but we just wanted to take a look around and see what we can see. So on this side of the marina, they have a couple boats that I think you could probably rent for the day, I'm assuming, or charter for someone to take you around the water. It is part of the yacht club, so I'm sure there's a lot of boat people around here. One of the signs started flying away with all the wind, so Robert's gonna try to help fix it. It's very windy right now, even though it's very hot. This guy, man, he'll help anyone he sees at Disney World, even if it's just a sign. He should be a cast member.
It reveals itself to you like.
Okay, so yeah, those boats are so you could rent them, and it looks like they have fishing excursions. And there's a really cute little gazebo over there. It looks really peaceful, so that's really cute. Wonder if they probably do weddings out there. There's the boat that will pick you up to take you to Epcot.
It's definitely got like a Huntington Beach, like the the Rancho Palos Verdes kind of feel to it. Like the architecture and everything.
There's the map of the resort. So this lake is called Crescent Lake. That's what I was trying to figure out. And it looks like on the left side you have the yacht club, and then on the right side is all the beach resort. And the pool sits right in the middle of the two. So it looks like they have some sand, little beach areas that you could just sit out and lounge and look at the marina. There's their pool, which it's really nice because they have sand over there, so you could have the kids play in the sand and then jump right in the pool. On the left, I don't know if we could see it, there's some cabanas that you could rent also.
There's a lazy river.
And there's a lazy river over there too. Wow, that's really neat. And then on the right hand side, there's Hurricane Hannah's, which is a bar and grill. You get some lunch and a drink while you're at the pool. So we made a stop at the bar here to get ourselves an adult beverage, and we're gonna see how those are. I got a cucumber mint mojito, and Robert's getting a pina colada. So we're gonna sit right by the pool and enjoy our drink. But man, that pool looks amazing. Definitely would give up a park day just to enjoy that pool. And you could see over there where I was mentioning earlier, they have some cabanas that you could actually rent out, so you could have a cabana for the day. We are ready to enjoy these drinks. This little guy is taking a nap, so mom and dad are gonna enjoy this. So the left one over here is Robert's Pina Colada, it's called. That's why it has red raspberry in it. And then mine is the cucumber mint mojito. They don't have any cucumber in it, but it is made with cucumber vodka. So let's see how they are.
So I lost my pineapple slice in there, but it's good. It's a little sweet. You can't really taste the alcohol, but it's actually very refreshing. I like it. I like pina coladas though, so you know those are usually really sweet. The raspberry puree is a little sweet on it too, but it's good. I like it.
I think if you mix it, because it looks like it's stuck on the bottom there.
Yeah, I think because he poured it in there first, but it's good.
It's nice on this day. It's like the sun comes out and it's super hot, and then all of a sudden you get this crazy breeze.
Yeah.
So we don't really know what we're gonna get from minute to minute.
But this is Florida, you know. This is how it is. We did get even a little sprinkle here and there, but it didn't stop. So it just can't decide what it wants to be today. Hot, cold, medium. Becca here got a mojito.
It sounded really refreshing with the cucumber and mint like this. I almost got a margarita, but it sounded really good.
And so it still has the cucumber inside of it. They just didn't have the cucumber slice that kind of tops it. So
I feel like I'm on the beach just enjoying a nice refreshing drink.
yeah, it's nice. Kind of like when we were single and they didn't have a screaming baby with us. It's nice. It's really nice. How is it?
It's really good. You could definitely taste the cucumber vodka in there, but it's not too strong.
Okay. And so they did accept Disney gift cards in there too, so that's kind of nice.
This entire trip that we are in Florida, we've been using our Disney gift cards that we had credit from a canceled cruise trip. And we've been able to pay for everything with those cards. So they did accept our Disney gift cards here, even for alcohol. So that was really nice.
We could even tip off of them too, which is nice.
Yeah.
So yeah, I mean, we canceled our cruise unfortunately, but hey, this paid for our trip.
Yep.
And we still have enough for another one.
Yeah.
Here in the Yacht Club here, they have these white sand beaches. Now you can't go swimming in there. I don't think you'd want to. They have this themed pool here, which is really cool. It's like a ship, and the fallen mast of the ship is actually a slide. It takes you all the way down to the other pool on the other side of that rock over there, which is really neat. They also have a little small pool there. But I think this is really cool theming on how they have this ship set up. I'm digging that slide. It goes all the way down. So the slide comes through here, then does a turn and a bank there. It goes under a waterfall into this pool here, which is really neat. You do have to get out to go back in, but I think that's really, really cool on how they set that up. That's Disney magic.
It also looks like they have a volleyball court just right outside their rooms, which is really cool too. So they have multiple little beach areas with some sand. This one has some swings. You got more swings and some lounge chairs over there, but dang, this view, man. It's so cool. So this is the end of the Beach and Yacht Club resorts, and it takes you to the walkway over here, which if you go straight to the left side, it takes you to the Skyliners and to Epcot. But if you go to the right side over here, you could actually walk a path down, which I think takes you to the Epcot security entrance, but it's right by the water, so it's so pretty. Kind of has this like Ratatouille vibe, which we said earlier in another video when we were talking about Epcot and them adding the Ratatouille area. So it reminds me of that. And there goes one of the boats that are taking them to Epcot. We hope you enjoyed exploring Disney's Beach and Yacht Club with us. Thanks for watching.